5. Atong bakbakan, Jake the Dog Gonzalez. Dili na snake. And for the 8th place, Army Man, mainstay, Alfredo Rapanot. Alfredo Rapanot. Okay. Alright, dito. Picture sa... In 7th place, from Ingog City, RJ B. Cantonos. Yay. Ay sa mga lakaw ha, mga open ng picture pa. For the 6th place, from Barangay Consolacion, Nazario Kobe Naz Ubanan. Kubian na din. In the 5th place, the most improved player in Cagayan de Oro, Kin Mapuel. Kimwa, tawagin Tolilong Vertudazo. Tulba, kaya ba? Tarato rin. Group pictures. Requesting all winners ay open division ayo sa Glacao for Pictorial. For the 4th place, we have National Master Carlos Saludsod. And the 3rd place, we call on Rodney Jones Upada. And the 2nd place, falling short, near champion from Usabe City, Atangop City. Sorry. We have Master Johnny Wellen Carzano. Carlos Saludsod. And the champion, ang Secreto Bear Brand from Nestle. From Nestle. Surprise champion, never underestimate the power of milk. Atong bakbakan, the veteran, Eutemio Lolong Coquilla. Gatas Bear Brand. Dili kape. Pero mag-beer ka ron. Alright. Okay, requesting all winners to please for a group picture. Top senior, mandun yung... All winners of the open section, please come forward for a group picture, please, for documentation. Long, group picture long. Long, group picture sa long. Abay ka sa sponsor, long. Abay ka sa sponsor. Abay sponsor. Group pictures, please. Now we're down to the last section, most hotly contested tournament of this night. For special awards, board 4 worth 5,000 pesos. How niya na din top board 4? For top board 3, best performer, we have Gilbert Baba. Top board 3. Yeah. And will receive 1,000 pesos. Picture sa sir. Okay. And also, top performer of board 2 from Hingog City, we have Ronel Cantonos. 1,000. And Aisa Mugawa sir for victory. And the top performer of the first board we have from Zamboanga City, Filibuster Raymond Salcedo. And the top 10 of the team tournament. In the 10th place, a round of applause please from Maritina Chess Club. Top 10. Ang top 10? Ah, okay. Sobre lang to sir. Pero man din sa'yo sa picture. In the 9th place, same with identical score of 13 match points, but lamang lang sa vocals with 91 points. In 9th place, we have the RKJ, Arki Design and Building. Arki Design and Building with Coach Junel Malkin. Same identical points for 30 with 13 points. We have in 8th place Cantilado Chess Club Team A. For the 7th place, from the Pride of Iligan City, we have BNM 3 Iligan. And on 6th place with 14 points, solo 14 points, we have Baracelos. Baracelos in 6th place. Walay taga Baracelos. Ako na. 1, 2, 3. Alright, picture goes Baracelos. Ay sa mo lakaw mga winners we have a group pictures after which. In the 5th place, in a two-way log jam, 5th place, we have Ajo Gilon 45. Ajo Gilon 45. Okay, with Fili Master Raymond Salcedo. Dari lang perma sa master. And for 4th place, from the local government unit of Hingog City, Hingo, 4th place. Cantonos, Kin. Okay, dali lang pirma. Ilan sa Muglakaw okay, for group pictures. And for the top 3 winners on 3rd place, we have the Golden Chess Friends Team A. Atagan na itong sumasipag pakpak. Muna nagnasipa ba? Picture. And for the 2nd place, with identical 16 points, match points, we have Team Patsada. David ay ganitang coach. And the champion of the CDO Chess Grandmaster Quest Tournament, sponsored by AVRF. A round of applause, please, to Lopez of Peter Chendoria CM, led by Johnny Carzano from Tangop City. Agay, nga ko si Tudilya. Ano to? Champion naman. Ano to? Giveaways. Okay, requesting all winners team competition to please come join them for a group pictorial, please. Group pictorials, please.